Okay, hi people. This has been a very entertaining Sunday, what do we call it? Sunday, what did I don't know about myself. Sunday afternoon. So we're gonna get rid of all the old rubbish now and start the day tomorrow new. Sorry, I'm looking a bit of a mess today because, you know, just got out of the bath and stuff. So here we go. How do we do this? Oh shit. So I don't know how to turn the camera around. No. Hold on. How'd you get rid of all of this? Okay. We've started. We ain't finished yet. I'm sure some people that like Arsenal might be a little bit upset, you know. My son's an Arsenal fan, so is my dad, so it's not a thing about Arsenal lovers, but you know, it's got to go to. Stay inside! So, hi auntie. Hope you're well. I'm good, thank you. Not bad. Oh, we can't see. Good riddance to old rubbish. Oh yeah, I heard some people might be looking for some stretch out baggy and everything there, you know. Not the cross system. Sometimes you have to get rid of the old rubbish so you can move on, yeah? Be careful. I'm good. I'm being very careful, auntie. Hi Samantha Johnson, how are you doing, Bubbles, my dear? Hi Nikki B. Wagwan. Yes, I don't know how long these things are going to take to burn because I've actually got things to do this afternoon and I don't have all day to sit here and wait, but I want to make sure my house don't burn down in the process. I still don't understand how to switch the camera around. No, that button doesn't really work, does it? No. How'd you do it? Ah. Aha. Right. My garden's a bit of a mess because I haven't really showed it no love over the summer. But yeah. Let's make sure it's all in there, and including socks as well, because you don't want no one to have to come, no reason to come back to your house for their stuff, yeah? So, whew, it's making a bit of a smell. But I guess that's what happens when you're around people that are no good for you, yeah? And people that lie, and people that are deceitful when you've had many more than opportunities, many more than one, to tell the truth and be honest with people. But not be honest with other people, you've got to think about being honest to yourself, yeah? And also when you hurt people and you deceit and you lie to people. Now, people need to understand that everybody has feelings, yeah? And everybody, no one does stuff intentionally to hurt anybody, and I'd hope that none of my friends that I have or associates would never do anything like that, because I think we all have morals, yeah? But some don't have morals, so unfortunately, when you don't have morals, this is the type of shit that happens to you. Your shit goes up in flames, yeah? So, you know, when you don't leave your stuff around people's yard, yeah? When you're not meant to be fucking sleeping out, yeah? If you're not meant to sleep out, then you shouldn't be sleeping out. If you're not meant to be sleeping out, your clothes wouldn't be getting burnt right now, yeah? So, unfortunately, that's the shit that happens. What goes around comes right back around, yeah? Okay, yeah, and most people should know who I'm talking about. If you don't, then it's not far for you to know. Mr. Gary After Dark. Oh well, never mind. I heard that Samantha bought a lot of your clothes. Okay, you had boxes that had holy drawers in it. Now there's your holy drawers. I don't know if you want to come and maybe take them out, but either way, they're still going. I hope you don't burn down my fucking garden, you know. Okay, it looks a bit wild. So anyway, besides the point, that's what happens when you don't buy your own shit. Yeah, it goes up in flames. So, never mind. Hush, puppy. Yeah? And maybe you'll find the next mug that will go and buy you some more. Yeah? Because luckily for me, I wasn't the mug that bought it. But unfortunately, she wasn't a mug. She thought that you was being honest with her and genuine. And you wasn't, was you? But yeah, no offence to the Arsenal fans. I do kind of like Arsenal, so does my son. But, you know, sometimes that's just the way cookie crumbles around here. So, how long have we been doing this now? I can't even see. Don't even know how it goes. Oh, I've got a lot of viewers. Hi everybody. Hope everyone's having a lovely Sunday afternoon. Yeah? I do look a bit of a mess today because I'm kind of unprepared and in my house clothes. And I was meant to go out, but didn't get a chance to go out because everything went kind of wrong this morning. So yeah, now we're here. I don't want to die of choking. Smoke inhalation. So yeah. I was going to throw it in the bin, but then I had a better idea from Samantha. Oh, in actual fact, Samantha's my middle name. Chanel Melanie Samantha Campbell. So yeah, Sam gave me a better idea, and oh well, never mind. I'm sure you'll find that, you know, that white girl that you was there scrubbing up to in your video. I'm sure she'll be the one that can come, and maybe she'll try and console you. Maybe she'll buy you some more stuff. Yeah, but yeah, definitely Trader Trash ain't welcome around here. Right, everybody, I'm gonna go now because my children have been waiting for me for quite some time, and I've got things to do. So have a lovely Sunday afternoon, guys. Love you all. Peace out. Mwah. Bye. Maybe when we come back it'll be cinders and ashes. Cinders and ashes. Cinders and ashes. Cinders and ashes. Fucking joke. Joke.